Welcome to this session on software testing methods, specifically black box, white box, and gray box testing. These methods are defined by how much knowledge a tester has about the internal workings of the application. Each method serves a unique purpose and is used at different stages of the testing lifecycle. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about black box testing. In black box testing, the tester has no knowledge of the internal code, architecture, or logic. The focus is purely on inputs and expected outputs. You don't care how the application processes data, you just care whether it produces the correct results. This method simulates the user experience and is commonly used in functional, system, and acceptance testing. For example, you might enter a username and password and verify if the login is successful. You don't need to know how the backend handles authentication. Tools like Selenium, QTP, and Test Complete are often used for black box testing. Next is white box testing, which is the opposite of black box testing. In this method, the tester has full access to the internal structure of the application. You write tests based on knowledge of how the system works. This includes logic, code paths, loops, and conditions. White box testing is typically performed by developers and used during unit and integration testing. It ensures that the code logic is sound and all paths are executed as expected. For instance, if there's an if-else condition, white box testing checks whether both branches are tested. Tools like JUnit, NUnit, and SonarQube are popular for this type of testing. Then there's gray box testing, which combines elements of both black box and white box testing. The tester has partial knowledge of the system's internals. This allows them to design smarter test cases by understanding how the system behaves under the hood while still focusing on inputs and outputs. Gray box testing is especially useful in integration and security testing. For example, a tester may know that data flows from one module to another through an API and can test that interaction more thoroughly. This hybrid approach allows for more comprehensive coverage and helps find issues that might be missed using just black box or white box methods. So, when do you use each method? Black box testing is ideal when validating user functionality, UI behavior, or business logic. It's great for system-level and acceptance testing. White box testing is best during development when verifying logic, paths, and security at the code level. Gray box testing shines in complex applications where understanding some internal components can enhance the effectiveness of the tests. Each testing method has its strengths and limitations. Black box testing doesn't catch internal bugs related to code structure. White box testing may miss usability issues or functional errors at the interface level. Gray box testing helps bridge that gap but requires a tester with both technical insight and user experience awareness. As a software tester, mastering these methods will make you more effective in various scenarios. Whether you're working in Agile, Waterfall, or DevOps environments, choosing the right testing method at the right time ensures better test coverage and higher quality software. In our next session, we'll look at how to plan a test strategy, including estimating time, scope, and risk. Keep learning and sharpening your testing toolkit.